I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side?
What's up guys, Albert here from Animal Racing Customs, and our new and improved workshop is up and running. We've got my father Andre, my uncle Bayman busy here with the Amarok door, and then we've got Matt that is busy with ray fences, Vorsteiner wheels, sorting out a few nitty-gritty marks on them. We've got Norman here, he's busy on the tailgate. And then we've got my brothers Sean and Bruce on the Mark II Escort for Ricardo, getting the fenders off, as you guys can hear. So they're busy getting the fenders off, gonna get the RS2000 fenders and hopefully the nose piece on it today, get that sorted out. Then Divian Governor's Escort is primed, we're gonna block it. There's a few lines that's still not up to standard and a lot of other flattening work still to do on that one. But yeah, and then we've got ZX40 that we're going to paint. So we are full operation again from today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe and share the shit out of it. Hope you guys enjoy. Cheers.
Doing things they know, talking about the same old